Hey, keto friends. Life happens. Crises, stress, and unexpected challenges can throw you off task, but your keto journey doesn't have to suffer. Today, I'm giving you 3 essential strategies to help you stay on keto no matter what life throws your way. Number 1, stock your emergency keto pantry. When things get really chaotic, the last thing you want to worry about is meal prep. That's why having an emergency keto pantry is a real game changer. Keep essentials like canned tuna, cheese crisps, nuts, sugar-free jerky, and keto meal replacements like shakes and smoothies on hand, even sardines and celery and peanut butter, which is a classic snack for keto. These quick, no-cook options will keep you in ketosis without added stress. Number 2, plan for emotional eating triggers. Stress eating is real, and cravings can hit hard during tough times. But instead of reaching for carb-heavy comfort foods, swap it out with keto-friendly options. Think cheese, turkey, and pepperoni slices, pork rinds, sugar-free gelatin, low-carb beef jerky, hard-boiled eggs, or herbal tea with cream. Having these alternatives ready will help you avoid major setbacks. Number 3, stay hydrated and maintain electrolytes. When life gets overwhelming and highly demanding, hydration is often the first thing to suffer. Dehydration can make you feel exhausted and trigger unnecessary cravings. Keep electrolytes in check by drinking water, bone broth, or keto-friendly electrolyte drinks to stay energized and focused. Crises don't have to mean keto failure. By preparing ahead, making smart swaps, and staying hydrated, you can navigate any challenge while sticking to your goals. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to keto survival strategy?